Credit card. A plastic card for financial transactions. She paid with her credit card. No. A negative response. He said no to the offer. TV. A device for watching shows and movies. I watched TV last night. Okay. Used to express agreement or acceptance. She said it was okay to go. Car. A vehicle with 4 wheels. He drives a new car. See. To perceive with the eyes. Can you see the mountains? Key. A device used to open locks. I lost my house key. Buy. To purchase something. She wants to buy a new dress. Sea. A large body of salt water. They swam in the sea. Bus. A large vehicle for public transport. We took the bus to school. Can. To be able to do something. Can you help me? Say. To speak words. What did you say? Yes. An affirmative response. She said yes to the proposal. Pay. To give money in exchange for something. He will pay for dinner. Tea. A hot drink made from tea leaves. She drank a cup of tea. Fly. To move through the air. Birds fly in the sky. Bag. A container for carrying items. She packed her bag. Name. A word used to identify a person or thing. Her name is Anna. Want. To desire something. I want a new book. Like. To enjoy or be pleased by something. I like ice cream.
This. Referring to a specific thing close by. This is my car. Food. Something people eat. The food was delicious. Room. A space in a building enclosed by walls. She cleaned her room. Taxi. A car for hire. We called a taxi. Bank. A place where money is kept and managed. She works at a bank. Help. To assist someone. Can you help me with this? Tell. To communicate information. Please tell me the truth. City. A large town. New York is a big city. Week. A period of 7 days. She will visit next week. Shop. A place where goods are sold. We went to the shop for groceries.
Menu. A list of food options. The menu looks good. Bill. A statement of money owed. The waiter brought the bill. Open. Not closed or blocked. The store is open. Size. How large or small something is. What size is your shirt? Know. To be aware of something. Do you know him? Town. A smaller urban area. She lives in a small town. Turn. To change direction. Turn left at the corner. Left. The opposite of right. Turn left here. That. Referring to something further away. That is my book. Road. A path for vehicles. The road is busy today. Cafe. A small restaurant. We met at the cafe. Look. To direct your eyes at something. Look at the sky. Feel. To experience a sensation. I feel happy today. Ship. A large boat. The ship sailed across the ocean. Lake. A large body of fresh water. They went fishing at the lake. Hear. To perceive sound. Can you hear the music? Euro, the currency used in many European countries. He paid in euros. Cost, the price of something. What is the cost of this book? Hour, a period of 60 minutes. It takes an hour to get there. Park, a public green space. They walked in the park. Visa, a permit to enter a country. She applied for a visa. Money, currency used for transactions. He saved his money. Hotel, a place where people stay overnight. They booked a room at the hotel. Train, a form of rail transport. She travels by train. Phone, a device for communication. He called her on the phone. Place, a specific location. This is a nice place. Right, the opposite of left. Turn right here. Plane, an aircraft. They flew on a plane. Order, to request something. I would like to order a pizza. Lunch, a meal eaten in the middle of the day. She has lunch at noon. Music, sounds arranged to be pleasing. She loves listening to music. Price, the amount of money required. What is the price of this book? River, a large natural stream of water. The river flows to the sea. Visit, to go see someone or somewhere. He will visit him next week. Pound, the currency used in the UK. The book costs £10. Street, a public road in a city or town. They live on Elm Street. Ticket, a piece of paper allowing entry or travel. She bought a ticket for the concert. Dollar, the currency used in the US. He paid $10 for lunch. Thanks, an expression of gratitude. Thanks for your help. Please, a polite way of asking for something. Please pass the salt. Repeat, to say or do something again. Can you repeat that, please? Family, a group of related people. She loves her family. Travel, to go from one place to another. They love to travel. Coffee, a hot drink made from roasted beans. He drinks coffee every morning. Dinner, the main meal of the day. We have dinner at 7 p.m. Closed, not open. The store is closed. Window, an opening in a wall for light and air. She looked out the window. German, relating to Germany. He speaks German. French, relating to France. She loves French cuisine. Police, law enforcement officers. The police arrived quickly. Flight, a trip by airplane. Their flight was delayed. Museum, a place where historical items are displayed. They visited the art museum. English, the language spoken in England and the US. She is learning English. Airport, a place where planes take off and land. We arrived at the airport early. Welcome, a polite greeting. Welcome to our home. Weather, the state of the atmosphere. The weather is sunny today. Address, the location of a place. What is your address? Spanish, relating to Spain. He is studying Spanish. Holiday, a day of celebration or rest. They went on holiday to the beach. Russian, relating to Russia. She is learning Russian. Customs, the place where travelers are checked. He passed through customs quickly. Passport, a document for international travel. Don't forget your passport. Swimming, the activity of moving through water. She enjoys swimming in the lake. Platform, the area where you board a train. The train departs from platform 5. Breakfast, the first meal of the day. They had eggs for breakfast. Beautiful, pleasing to the senses. The sunset was beautiful. Reception, the front desk in a hotel or office. Check in at the reception. Next week, the week following the current one. We will meet next week. Restaurant, a place where meals are served. They dined at a fancy restaurant. Go, to move from one place to another. We will go to the park.